To East Texas now. We have a very special guest here on the desk today with us, and I've been wanting to kind of touch base with you today and talk to you a little bit about what's going on. I know you are from UT Tyler, is that correct?
That's right.
Awesome. Okay, this is Dr. Teresa Bird, UT Tyler School of Health Professions founding dean, and I know we're here to talk a little bit about evidence-based information from expert speakers, obviously,
Right.
but talking about the Age Well event.
Yes, we're having an event on Thursday, the 7th, that's this week, from 10 to 2 called Age Well, and it's a health span forum. And the reason we talk about health span, you know, when we think about aging, and I do have personal experience in aging, we think about lifespan, and lifespan is important. We want to extend lifespan. But what we really want to extend is healthy lifespan, active lifespan. And so this event is all about how do we maintain an active, healthy lifespan as we age.
Very interesting. Well, why is that important?
I think it's important because, you know, getting older used to mean, I guess, for people that they were going to end up, you know, not being able to do what they wanted to do and have fun and enjoy their families. But really, if we maintain our health span, then we can continue to do the things that we love to do and be with our families for longer and just, you know, have more fun.
Be healthy.
Yeah.
Well, what is the difference between lifespan and health span?
Well, lifespan is just the length of time you live. You know, you can live to be 100, but if you live to be 100 and for the last 20 years of that you're not very healthy and you're, you know, sick or you can't move around, that's not very fun. So health span is more the years that we can spend being healthy and active.
Okay, well, exercise and a good diet are what come to mind when people think of, you know, leading their healthy lives.
Right.
What are others, maybe less well-known factors behind living well?
Well, there are other factors such as exercise and diet are very important, but also having social connections, being connected to other people is really, really important for both good mental health and physical health. And we do have a speaker who's going to talk about that at this event.
Oh, well, that sounds so insightful. I love it. Well, what about young people? Obviously, for me, I'm still learning every single day, but for folks our age, for instance, start doing what today to help ensure that we can age well?
Well, you know, everyone, we have the same advice for everybody. Eat a healthy diet, lots of vegetables and fruits. Exercise regularly, at least according to the Centers for Disease Control, 150 minutes a week. And don't smoke. Don't use too much alcohol. Actually, we've kind of decided that alcohol doesn't have a safe amount, but if you're going to drink alcohol, don't drink it to excess. Those are really important. And we do invite people your age to come to this event because the earlier you start, the longer your health span will be.
Well, I mean, and like I said, I'm learning every single day. So, I mean, there's not really a limit for anybody at any age to come and learn more about this. Okay, so what's available at this event? Speakers, lunch, vendors, activities? Tell me more.
We are going to have two keynote speakers. One is Jason Burnett from UT Houston, and he's going to talk about social connection, health, and aging. And then we have this really interesting guy, I've heard him speak before, Dr. Tanaka, who's from UT Austin, and he's going to talk about masters athletes, and he works with athletes, premier athletes in their 80s and 90s.
Wow.
And it's just fascinating, the things that he can tell you about, yes, you can keep on doing a lot of things that you don't think that you'll be able to do. We'll also have some vendors there, and there's lots of them, but for one, our own rehab sciences department at the School of Health Professions will be there to talk about hearing and vision and speech. We're also going to have Courage Health there.
Ooh.
We'll have TOSCA, which is an interesting organization for people who want to stay active as they age. We're going to have a rehabilitation sciences dementia tour where people can put on some equipment that makes it, they can understand how dementia would feel. So if they're taking care of someone,
that's
it gives
interesting.
them, and then we have a couple of other places like Avere Health, which runs assisted living and rehabilitation, and Net Health. So there'll be a lot of, and the Area Council on Aging, a lot of people will be there. They're going to have swag. We're having lunch. It's completely free and open to the public.
Awesome. Well, so kind of just running back through, when and where is this event going to be?
It is going to be this Thursday, August 7th from 10 to 2. and it's at Oak Crossing Event Center, which is at 101 Glenda Street in White House.
Okay, all right. Well, is there anything else that we should know or you would like to add about this event coming up?
I just think it's really important for us to kind of get together as a community, for one thing, get to know each other. I'm looking forward to meeting all of these different people and, building some connections and some ways that we can actually reach out to the community to help people with their aging and with their younging as well. Helping people to be healthy throughout the lifespan is the goal of the School of Health Professions.
Awesome. Well, Mrs. Bird, thank you so much for coming here on East Texas Now today to share some insightful information. I feel like I learn every single day, but I'm excited to learn more at this event on Thursday.
Well, thank you.
Fun.
Thank
All right.
you.